squealing noise coming from the Serpentine system. This
Perfect.
What's going on, YouTube? Appreciate y'all coming back for another video. Today we're going to be working on a 2003 Ford Freestar. This particular vehicle has got an excessive squealing noise coming from the Serpentine system. This could apply to any Ford Freestar within this year range and make and model. Now, I've seen a bunch of videos where people are talking about you have to jack the van up, take the tire off, take the inner wheel well out and stuff like that to get the serpentine belt tensioner loose. I've got a different way that I believe is much quicker and much easier. So we're going to start off by basically just removing this alternator here, and that'll free up all the tension on the serpentine belt, because the tensioner is way back there in the back of the motor, get next to the firewall. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to loosen this bolt here, loosen this bolt here, and completely remove these two. You're going to loosen this one here but leave it still inserted, and what's going to happen is your alternator is going to cock this way, which in turn is going to relieve the tension off this belt, and you just slip the belt off and then finish taking your bolt out, and then you can expect your pulleys in the serpentine system. I have a suspicion that it's probably going to be the alternator where I'm having the squealing coming from. The belt is in relatively good condition. There's hardly any cracks in it. So we're going to go ahead and show you the method I use to take this off, and we'll start inspecting from there. The tool is going to be using to take off the alternator bolts there. It's a 15mm socket, swivel attachment on this one, ratchet, some type of long wrench or breaker bar, because these bolts, they got a little bit of torque on them, so you're going to have to break them free. A pair of needle nose pliers and flathead screwdriver to help remove the electrical clip there in the side of the alternator. Got a drill in case I need it with an extension, and a 10mm socket on the end of it to remove the power lead going to the alternator. So go ahead and get you set up and we'll get tearing into this. Go ahead and start by disconnecting your pigtail and your power wire running from the battery. Go ahead and remove this rubber boot, give you access to the nut holding it onto the alternator. Set it aside. Go ahead and pull that lead off. Cover it back up with the boot. Tuck it away. Preferably against something plastic, where it doesn't risk touching metal and arcing. Now go ahead and start with your lower bolt. Go ahead and remove your ground strap. Go ahead and see if this one's busted loose. And this last one, like I said, just loosen it, don't take it all the way out, and you'll see the alternator, it'll cock over this way. That'll be good enough. Go ahead and help it come on over to the side. Be careful careful bending this line if you need to. Just roll your belt off. And then roll it back to take the tension off the bolt. And you can finish taking the bolt out. Go ahead and lift your alternator out. Now, go ahead and check all your pulleys that you can. Spin them, rock them side to side. Shouldn't have any play or noise, abnormal noises coming from them. That's the noise I was hearing. Except it was a lot louder and faster. That is no bueno. Alternator was charging, but sounds like a bearing inside starting to go bad. So we'll go ahead and purchase a new alternator to put on this. You should not be hearing that. That kind of noise is fine, but any kind of chirping or abnormal grinding, not good. But we'll go ahead and check the rest of our pulleys that we can. That one seems fine. Check our water pump pulley. That one seems fine. AC pulley. That one seems fine. Our power steering pulley. That one seems fine. Not going to be able to get to that belt tensioner in the back. It's just way too far back there. But like I said, I'm pretty sure this was the noise I was hearing. Whenever you go to replace this, it's just in reverse order. Put it back down in there. Like so. Go ahead and start your first bolt. Go ahead and check your belts. Make sure they're aligned on all of the pulleys. This one's just a little bit off. There we go. And now, when you go to reinstall your belt, same as you took it off. Take your alternator, push it to the side, route the belt over the pulley. Just like so. Have a lot of tension on it, so try to use you a crowbar, breaker bar, something with some length, or if you can muscle it back over, you just muscle it over like so. So you can get your bolt holes lined up. Go ahead and insert one bolt, and then put it on down, and then reinstall your pigtail power wire. I'm not going to go through the steps of reinstalling it. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and place this alternator. I hope this helped somebody out. If you found this video helpful, if you would, consider liking, subscribing, commenting, If you subscribe, hit that notification bell, that way you get alerts on any future videos. If you would, check out this video right here in the corner. We'll see you on the next video. Till then, y'all have a good day.